Yeah, man. We are live and we're gonna play chess. I'm gonna jump into my traditional 15-10 game while y'all start showing up. Oh, my hair. These great friends, Bill and Sophie. And Sophie recommended when you get out of the shower, put your hair in a t-shirt. And that's what I did. Yo, man, why you gotta move when I'm pouring coffee, bruh? What he took a pawn? Well, that doesn't feel good. I'm just losing. I'm losing. I lost. The sack was ridiculous. That's a bad move. Gotta keep the queens on, guys. No, I'm not. I am running out of time. I'm busted. Matthew Campbell is liked. Well, I deserve. Hey, the Retro Requiem is back. Love the name, man. Love the name. You guys see it? I think he's got me pretty good here. I think he plays knight first. I think I have to. I think it's actually not that bad. Queen check 1. Well, no, it didn't, because knight check, I still had rook takes. You're going to challenge me next, Nicola. Okay, you know what? You can try. You got to get on chess.com and send me a challenge. I'm going to be so far away from everything in my life. Rook over is going to be a really good move. I'm going to luckily have a queen check. And I can maybe sack the rook. Cool. Yeah, get ready to send it. That's awesome, Nicola. You know what you're doing, man. Thank you. Matthew Campbell, thank you for the like. Geo Later, thanks for the like. Got to put the clock on him, guys. Got to put the clock on him. Do I check? No, I think threatening mate is probably okay. What am I smoking? Why? You asking that because of my position? Menard? Evan Boas, thank you for the like. Unless you want to play, you know what? Basir's gone, man, and I wanted to get him. So if you want to play a 15 with a 10-second increment, I'm completely down for that. Have a nice slow game. We can relax. I can read the chat. He says, what are you smoking? And I'm sure... Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I saw that too with the queen, but I didn't see it with the rook. Guys, I'm busted. I just lost in the whole rook. I was already freaking lost. Mark Gaines has liked. John Mark Lumban is here. Thank you, man. Thanks for the like. And Mike Wieringa, thank you for the follow. Guys, right. Clip it.